Hey Glam Fam, so today we are doing this beautiful fall makeup look today. And we are going to be using the new Deck of Scarlet palette for this month. And oh my gosh, it is such a good palette and so fall. If you guys don't know what Deck of Scarlet is, it is a makeup subscription service where it's only $29.95 every other month to get a new set of makeup. Now when I say set of makeup, I mean you get a palette with multiple things in the palette. So these two could either be, you know, like highlight, blush, contour, bronzer, and then you get 3 eyeshadows and then 2 lip colors. And then usually you get some kind of added product, whether that be a lip gloss, a lip liner, an eyeliner, a mascara, and they are full-size products, which is absolutely amazing. You can also skip on months if you're not feeling the palette that month, and also you can now buy Deck of Scarlet's palettes online as well. You guys already know I love working with Deck of Scarlet, and I am so thankful and blessed that I get to work with them because I absolutely love their products. Like one of their lip glosses that they came out with is my everyday wear lip gloss, which is so amazing. Really quick, hello, my name is Josie. I put new videos out on my channel every week, and I hope you guys will stay and subscribe and join the Glam Fam. We are a pretty awesome bunch here. I feel like I should be in a leaf pile right now in my backyard because we have a lot of trees, and this is literally what my backyard looks like. But anyway, if you guys would like to check Deck of Scarlet out, I will link them in the description below, and let's jump into this video. This month's Deck of Scarlet collaborator is Kate Marks. She is an awesome LA vlogger, and she creates some amazing makeup looks. Here is the palette. Super pretty. I love the print. It's super cute, and we get a mascara. Let's take this palette out of the slip. All right, this is the Deck of Scarlet edition number 15 palette. Oh my gosh, that's insane. If you guys want a Deck of Scarlet palette like collection, I would love to do one of those videos for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below, and I may just do it. Let's open this bad boy. So here is, oh my god, this is so fall. Ooh, this is so fall. This is the side of the pressed products. We have ginger, turmeric, tamarind, clove, and saffron. And then the lip colors are chili and paprika. I have done my face and my eyebrows, and I have primed my eyelids with an eyeshadow base. We are just gonna jump into this tutorial, and we are going to take ginger and we're gonna put that into our crease. Alright, now we are just going to take the turmeric, and we are going to place that on to our inner corner. Oh man, that is so pretty. All right, and then we are just going to take the ginger, the same color that we used for our creases, and put that underneath the eye. Alright, and then I'm actually just going to take a little bit of the saffron color. This is the blush, and we're just going to run a little bit of that into our crease just to get a little bit more dimension. We're going to also run that underneath our eye on just the outer portion. Then we're going to go in with tamarind, and we are going to pack that onto our lid. Now I'm just gonna go in with a very light hand because this is so pigmented, guys. All of Deck of Scarlet palettes are super pigmented, which is super nice because you barely need any product. We're gonna go in with Saffron again, and we're going to blush up our cheeks. Then I'm going to go into this Clove color, and we are just going to bronze up the outer portion of our face with a very light hand again. I'm going to go do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back. I used the Deck of Scarlet mascara for my mascara and the NYX Epic Ink Liner for my liner, and I used these beautiful lashes that I have on right now. They are by Black Label Lash, and they are in the style Tiffany. They are beautiful. Look at those. Look at those wispy, feathery lashes. Ooh. Now we're gonna move on, and I'm going to do my lips. And with this look, I'm actually gonna do the darker color Chili, and we are just going to put that onto our lips. Ooh. Alright, and then we're gonna take the Tamarind, and we are just going to pop some of that onto the bottom of our lips, just to get that shiny feedback. Woo! Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And also, I will have all of the information about Deck of Scarlet in the description as well, if you would like to check them out. They are absolutely one of my favorite subscription services today, and I really love their products. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah!